The air is thick, heavy with anticipation. You can feel the pressure building, the weight of what's to come. You can almost taste the jet fuel, acrid and sharp, a constant reminder of the power at your fingertips. It's the taste of raw potential, of controlled fury waiting to be unleashed. Below, chaos and fire paint the world in strokes of destruction. It's a canvas of war, a brutal masterpiece of devastation. A beautiful, terrible mess. A symphony of explosions and collapsing structures, a stark reminder of the stakes. Your knuckles are white on the flight stick, a testament to the adrenaline coursing through your veins. Every muscle is tense, every sense heightened. An alarm screams in your ear, a piercing shriek that cuts through the roar of the engines. It's a call to action, a warning of imminent danger. You are being hunted, stalked by an unseen predator. The hunter has become the hunted. A missile trail scribbles across the sky, a fiery finger pointing directly at you. Death is coming, fast and relentless. This is the razor's edge, the point of no return. One wrong move and it's all over. Ace or crater, glory or oblivion. There is no middle ground here. Welcome back to Skyjet Wings. Your training has prepared you for this moment. The world keeps turning, the battles keep raging, conflicts erupting across the globe, demanding your attention. And the skies are more dangerous than ever. The enemy is waiting, ready to pounce. But the thrill remains, the intoxicating rush of adrenaline, the unwavering focus. Throttle to the firewall, pushing the engine to its absolute limit. G-forces crushing, your body screaming in protest, but your mind unwavering. Enemies exploding under your cannons, reduced to burning wreckage in the blink of an eye. This is our world. High stakes, higher altitudes, where the air is thin and the consequences are absolute. Only the best survive. Tonight, we're here to dominate, to prove our worth, to etch our names into the annals of aerial warfare. You've told me, the skies are swarming with Su-57s, a relentless wave of enemy fighters. Enemy pilots are faster, more ruthless, willing to do anything to achieve victory. I've seen it. I've felt that cold, lonely feeling of being outgunned, outnumbered, and outmaneuvered. But the balance of power is about to shift. The tide is turning in our favor. We're taking back the sky, one dogfight at a time. We will not yield. And we're doing it with a machine, a marvel of engineering. That's less an airplane, more a vengeful god, a force of nature unleashed upon the enemy. Tonight we unlock the secrets of the F-22 Raptor, revealing its true potential. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a masterclass in aerial combat, a deep dive into the art of war. We'll dissect its soul, understand its every nuance, its every strength and weakness, translate real-world power, the raw, untamed force of this incredible machine, into a symphony of destruction in Battlefield 2042. We'll show you how to dominate the skies. We'll turn you from pilot to phantom, a master of stealth and deception. The ghost the enemy fears but never sees, a silent predator lurking in the shadows. Strap in, secure yourself, check your systems, make sure everything is ready. The lesson is about to begin. Prepare to learn, and it will be spectacular, a breathtaking display of skill and power. Welcome to the danger zone, where only the best survive. Let's get airborne. Time to fly. The sky awaits. Our playground, our battleground. The F-22 Raptor isn't just metal and wires, it's a statement. Built to be the undisputed king of the sky, it's a thoroughbred killer. Its power comes from three things: stealth, supercruise, and thrust vectoring. Stealth makes you nearly invisible to radar. Supercruise lets you fly supersonic without afterburners engage and disengage at will. Thrust vectoring gives you agility that defies physics. In Battlefield 2042, these translate to reduced detection, unmatched speed, and insane maneuverability. Most treat the Raptor like any other jet. That's a mistake. To master it, think like a predator, not a pilot. Use its strengths to become the apex predator of the skies. Embrace the Raptor's soul, dominate, don't just survive. First look, first kill. The element of surprise is your greatest ally. That's the Raptor doctrine. It's about seeing the enemy before they see you, dictating the terms of engagement from the outset. Don't charge into the furball. Avoid chaotic entanglements where your advantages are neutralized. Climb, get altitude, position yourself for dominance, use the sun and clouds, exploit every environmental advantage to mask your approach. The higher you are, the more you see. Situational awareness is paramount, and the less you're seen. Stealth is not just about technology, it's a mindset. From above, scan for targets, prioritize threats and opportunities, lone helicopters, low-flying jets. These are often easier prey, ripe for the picking. vulnerable transports. Crippling the enemy's logistics can win wars. You're not looking for a fair fight. This isn't about honor, it's about victory. You want a guaranteed kill. Maximize your chances, minimize your risks. Descend with control, not a screaming dive. Maintain composure and tactical awareness. Keep your speed high, your profile low. Minimize your radar signature, maximize your energy. Strike with overwhelming force, don't give the enemy a chance to react. Radar missile, then heat seeker. A layered attack increases the probability of a successful hit. The enemy panics, pops flares. Too late, your second missile is already on its way. Their defenses are futile. Close in, finish with cannons. Ensure the kill, leave no room for doubt. Then vanish afterburner up, climb, disappear. Break contact cleanly and efficiently. Don't linger, don't get drawn into a turning fight. Preserve your energy and tactical advantage. Engage, destroy, disengage. That's air superiority. Dominate the skies through precision and calculated aggression. This rhythm demoralizes the enemy. They become hesitant, reactive, and predictable. They start to fear the sky. Their confidence erodes, their effectiveness diminishes. They never know where you'll strike next. Uncertainty becomes their constant companion. That fear is your weapon. It's as potent as any missile or cannon. Be the ghost they dread. Become a symbol of their impending defeat. Control the engagement, control the battle. Dictate the flow of combat, shape the outcome. The Raptor is your cloak and your sword. It's the ultimate tool for projecting power and achieving air dominance. Strike fast, vanish faster. Leave them wondering what just happened. That's how you own the sky. That's how you achieve absolute air superiority. Make them fear the clouds. Let the weather become your ally, their enemy, and never be where they expect. Predictability is your enemy, adaptability is your strength. When stealth fails, it's time to dance. An Su-57 is on your tail, missile lock screaming. Most try to outrun or outturn, not you. Use the Raptor's agility thrust vectoring as your secret weapon. Cut throttle, air brake hard force the enemy to overshoot. As they pass, slam afterburner, pull back and you're on their 6. Take it further, post-stall maneuvers. Cut throttle, pull up, use thrust vectoring, flip end over end, nose on target. Fire everything, recover, and live to fight. Mastery takes practice. You'll fail, crash, look foolish, but when it clicks, you'll turn the tables in impossible situations. Make the enemy overshoot, then obliterate them. That's the power of the Raptor. Nothing feels better. Air superiority isn't just about kills, it's about control. You're the guardian angel of your team, ensuring their safety and success. The Raptor's advanced sensors and gadgets make you an airborne command post, a vital asset. After clearing the skies, hunt enemy helicopters, save your infantry from those threats. Spot everything: vehicles, snipers, clusters of enemies. A great pilot gets kills and spot assists. Intel wins battles. Equip radar missiles for flexibility. Threaten everything. Your presence changes enemy behavior, creates safety for your team, and instills fear for the enemy forces. True air superiority is total domination of the battle space, controlling the skies above. Let me tell you about my toughest duel. A dogfight so intense, it pushed me to my absolute limit. It wasn't just about flying, it was about strategy, resilience, and keeping a cool head under immense pressure. This is the story of how I faced an enemy ace who seemed to have the upper hand at every turn. Exposure map, final objective. The stakes were high and the battle was far from over. Enemy ace in an Su-57 had us pinned. He was a formidable opponent, skilled and relentless, dominating the airspace with an almost arrogant confidence. He'd shot me down twice, a clear sign of his superior skill and tactical prowess. Each defeat only fueled my determination to turn the tide. Methodical, ruthless, a pilot who seemed to anticipate every move. He wasn't just flying, he was thinking several steps ahead. Total air superiority. He controlled the skies, dictating the terms of engagement, and forcing us into a defensive posture. It was personal. This wasn't just about winning a battle. It was about proving that skill and determination could overcome even the most daunting odds. I spawned my Raptor, ready for another round, determined to learn from my previous mistakes. Hands sweating, heart pounding. The adrenaline was pumping, but I knew I needed to stay calm and focused. I climbed into the snow clouds, seeking an advantage, a way to even the playing field. Engines cut, using the storm as cover. Stealth was my only ally in this hostile environment. I spotted him, a faint signal barely registering on the radar. A flicker on radar, a shadow in the clouds. He was there, lurking, waiting for an opportunity. He hadn't seen me. Time to strike, to seize the initiative and turn the tables. Silent dive, double missile launch. The element of surprise was crucial. flares. He dodged one, reacting with lightning-fast reflexes, took a hit but survived. He was resilient, refusing to go down easily. Now he was angry. The hunt was on. We plunged into the canyons, a desperate attempt to shake him off my tail, a high-speed ballet of death. Every twist and turn was a gamble, a test of skill and nerve, skimming rocks, pushing the limits of our aircraft and our abilities. Weaving through arches, a breathtaking display of aerial acrobatics. He tried to force a mistake. He was relentless, constantly probing for weakness. I stayed on him, cannons chipping away. Slowly but surely I was gaining ground. Then, the moment inside the cavern, a claustrophobic arena where every second counted. He tried to loop over me. A classic maneuver, but I was ready for it. I hit the air brake, let him fly over, a split-second decision that would determine the outcome. And as his belly filled my canopy, I knew this was my chance. I unleashed the Vulcan cannon. A torrent of lead ripped through the air. Explosion. Silence. The sky was clear. I'd done it. I had finally defeated the ace. We took the objective minutes later. The victory was sweet, but the lessons learned were even more valuable. That day, I learned that aerial combat is as much a mental game as it is a test of skill. Skill matters, of course. Precision flying and quick reflexes are essential, but a cold, calculating mind makes an ace. The ability to stay calm, analyze the situation, and make the right decisions under pressure is what truly sets a pilot apart. The duel was more than a fight. It was a chess match in the sky where every move had consequences. It was a lesson in patience and precision, waiting for the right moment, executing flawlessly. Every move counted. There was no room for error. The Raptor gave me the edge, its advanced technology and maneuverability providing a crucial advantage. But the mindset sealed the victory. The unwavering belief in my ability to win, even when the odds were stacked against me. That's what separates good pilots from legends. It's not just about flying the plane, it's about mastering the mind. Never let emotion cloud your judgment. Stay focused, stay calm, and trust your training. Outthink your opponent, anticipate their moves, and exploit their weaknesses. Outfly them, push your aircraft to its limits, and master every maneuver. Outlast. Never give up, never surrender, and keep fighting until the very end. That's how you win the sky. That's how you become a legend. The sky is a canvas. We are artists of the air. The F-22 is your brush, these tactics your palette. You now have the knowledge to dominate Battlefield 2042. Remember, think like a predator. Use stealth and altitude. Master the unexpected. Your air dominance creates victory below. This is the path to legend, a ghost in the machine. But knowledge is nothing without practice. Take these strategies, train, fail, improve. The sky is a harsh teacher, but mastery is unforgettable. Join Skyjet Wings, a squadron dedicated to air combat mastery. For more deep dives and stories, subscribe and join the squadron. The battle is just beginning. You'll want a wingman. Fly safe. Hunt well.